Hello, viewers. Today is a special episode. It's the 1600 subscriber special. I did a 100 subscriber special, 200, 400, 800. This is the 1600 subscriber special. It's a tour of this rice farm, this traditional Korean house, this HANOK, and brewing operation, makgeolli brewing operation that this farmer is running. So let's do this tour. Okay, so this guy with a straw hat, he must be the farmer. Yeah, is it okay if I take a tour of the farm right now? Okay, so I'll do that. Let's take a quick walk over the irrigation system. These are the rice seedlings here. And they're planted here. And here's some rice that's ready to harvest. It's yellow. Okay, and this is quite an extensive operation here. Let's walk along the irrigation system, and here's more rice paddies down there. Okay, let's take a look at the house now. This is a traditional Korean house, HANOK, and okay, we want to take a look at the house. Okay, so there's 3 rooms in this house. Let's start with the kitchen here. So there's a pot on the stove here. The fire is going, and let's take a look. It's a wood fire, and you can see it actually continues under the house. So if we follow that, it goes under this room, under that room, and then the chimney is over here. So the all the heat from the fire, it warms those 2 rooms, the floor of those 2 rooms. So that's the traditional Korean heating system, ondol. That's interesting. So this is a warm floor, and this is a pretty nice room. I like this room. Yeah. And this next room also has a heated floor. Can we see our neighbors from here? Yeah, what are they doing? What are they doing? Well, those are our neighbors on the other side of the river. We'll have to deal with them later. Okay, so that's this is a 3-room traditional HANOK. That's okay. So that's one thing. What's here? This is a storeroom for rice wine. Those are the ongi storing the rice wine. That's interesting. Okay, and now we're this area. We're drying some rice in the sun. This is a mat here where I can show you how the rice is separated. So we have to separate the rice straw and the rough rice, and then we want to get the hulls off of the rough rice. So we do that on this mat by tossing it in the air, getting some wind flow over it. Also, there's this milling machine that'll really separate the hulls off the rice. And let me put this rough rice in there. This is the milling machine. We'll get brown rice from this, and if we put it in again, we'll get white rice. So those are all the components. We have rice straw, rough rice, rice hulls, and take that off. We have brown rice and then white rice. All right, so we're going to brew with white rice. Let me turn this off. This is so noisy. Okay. So what do we have over here? This. Okay, we have a fire. We have a cauldron of water above the fire, and then the steamer full of gotu-bob. Okay, so that's ready. So there's a batch going right now. And in this little shack, Nuruk shack, full of shelves, a humid area with straw, so we can make some Nuruk. And next to that is our filter area. Once brewing is done, we have to filter our brew. That's what we're doing here. Okay. So these lot of functional areas to this farm. Let's see, what's is the farmer in here? I forgot to close that window. Okay, here's the farmer. Yeah, what are you saying? It might rain today. Oh, but it's completely sunny. You're right. It's raining. Better run inside. Okay. Yeah. So raining. I wonder what do we have in this kitchen? Oh, there's makgeolli, chongchu, jigami. Well, I'm gonna have some makgeolli. Since that's ready, what's over here? Some pajin. Looks a little burnt, but still, it's pajin and makgeolli. It's raining. What could be better? Have a drink. 1 bucket of makgeolli. Okay. So thanks again to all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. Please spread the word about rustic Asian rice wine. Thank you for watching.